Welcome to Princess Cruise. This is my room. I just want to give you a quick tour. This is a room that fits 4 people. There is plenty of storage, as you're going to see here. We did move in already, so you're going to see stuff inside the drawers. So that was 2 nightstands. Here are some more drawers that's over here next to the table. And this is a refrigerator. Struggling a bit to open it with one hand while I try to record. But we bought our own sodas. If you didn't know, you could bring cases of sodas on your cruise. They had a flat screen TV that was able to be moved. And as I said, this is a room for 4 people. So those are the 2 bunk beds that can be lowered in order for you to have 4 people in the room. Then there was plenty of closet space here. And underneath you'll see our luggage. That's where we housed it so we could have room. Here is the bathroom. You have sink. You have a standard shower with the adjustable or removable shower head. A small drainage right there. And then your standard toilet that's on any cruise. And some shelving right there for your items.